RSE Consulting. To act in the present, with the learning of the past, with a responsible and committed vision to the future of generations and other stakeholders. It is on this basis that risk management acts, ensuring the lives of people, the environment and companies. It is not just a technical matter, but a being human one. Managing risks is the desire for engagement, behavior and cultural and professional development, in order to generate business sustainability, which results in integrity and reliability of facilities and processes management. Important pillars for organizations that want to perpetuate. That is why RSE Consulting exists. We were born to support companies, professionals and institutions, adding value through a methodology which promotes commitment, learning, management and knowledge of risks. RSE aims to generate innovative solutions based on the needs and opportunities of its clients. The pursuit of leadership and excellence is constant, as well as the achievement of results, the improvement of professional development and the satisfaction of those who trust us and the wide experience, acquired in decades, by our specialists. We are a center of excellence that serves companies around the world, with technological solutions, implementation and integration of management systems, legal compliance and professional and organizational coaching, always focusing on operational and business risk management. Not only corporate sustainability inspires us, but also social and environmental sustainability, because we understand that the world needs to be perpetuated. It is by believing in this that we collaborate so that companies not only live in harmony with the environment, but understand that we are all part of the same ecosystem. RSE Consulting also works in the dissemination of education. We improve the learning of professionals, with specialization courses, in addition to the incentive through scholarships. This is our responsibility so that everyone can know and disseminate the benefits of risk management and corporate sustainability. To manage is to prevent losses and to form a proactive culture focused on continuous improvement. Is to ensure the health, progress and safety of all. To understand this philosophy is to put the life of people, companies and the environment in first place. RSE Consulting, prevent to perpetuate.